All right, so today we're going to use the stability ball to work your abs some. So I'm going to have you come down on the ground. And what's great about this exercise is not only are you working your abs, but you'll also be working your adductor muscles or your inner thighs, okay? So whenever you're doing this exercise, and this is more of an intermediate exercise, but we've been working together for a while now and I feel you're ready. So what you're going to do is when you're laying back, you're going to make sure that your lower back is pressed into the ground and not popping up with each repetition, okay? So you're going to bring it down to the ground. You're going to grab and make sure that you're squeezing the ball, hands down by your side, lower back is pressed into the ground, and you're going to lower it and lift it, okay? So you're exhaling. Make sure you're breathing, it's slow and controlled. You're not bouncing and dropping your legs, but you're really controlling that movement, okay? Bring it up as high as you can, right? You don't have to come like that. It's just nice and slow and controlled. Let's give that a try. Great. All right, make sure you're squeezing so that ball doesn't come flying. Using those adductor muscles, stabilizing by putting your hands by your side, really making sure that your lower back is into the ground, and lower it down. Perfect, and bring it back up. Make sure you're breathing, inhaling and exhaling. Good job, and lifting it up. Perfect, keeping your head down, making sure you're relaxing your shoulder, head and neck. Perfect, keep going. How does that feel?
Feels good.
All right, a couple more repetitions. And bring it up. And stop. Good job.